Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel from Homeonic, and today I'm going to present to you a module on the HS 4.9 software. It's the categories, and basically I'm going to show you how to use this module. And in previous videos we've explained how to use other modules, but not this one in particular, so I'm just going to jump right in. So the way this module works is basically handling the database, right? So if you want to add new rates, search for them in the entire database, you can do so here. So the first thing that I'm going to show you how to do is very easy, is how to create a new category. Basically, on the left-hand side, you have the categories column, then the subcategories column. So what you're going to do is click on the button that says New. And right away you're going to see this dialog box open, and you can name the category whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to use 001 space new category, and once I click OK, you're going to see what happens. Since the software organizes the listing of the categories in alphabetical order, anything that has numbers is going to show up at the top. So that's a good tip if you want to order your categories in a specific way. So after that, you want to double click on the category you created, and you're going to create a new subcategory by clicking, you've guessed it, on the new button in the subcategories area. And again, you're going to give it a new subcategory name. After you give it a name, just click on OK, and you should see it here, created. Now you're going to double click it, and now you're ready, for example, to add a new rate. So there are various ways to go about this. The first way I'm going to show you is when you press the button that says on the right hand side that says acquire new rate. It's got like a sinusoidal wave there, and in here is where you have these three options where you can use the instrument when you input a substance in the right cup, where you use decrete and get the frequency from that decrete, or using a text. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the first one that says use the instrument. So first we're going to give it a name. So for example, I have a sample of honey cream, and I'm going to, as soon as I click the get frequency from instrument button, it's going to run a similar process to when the instrument runs a diagnostic. And as soon as it's finished, we're going to get the code that's going to appear right here. And there you have it. If I click on save, it's going to create the entry right here. It's going to have the description and the frequency in the form of a rate. And now, for example, if I click again on acquire new rate and I use a decrete, it's going to be the same process. So for example, you can use any decrete that you want. The system already has a listing of decretes that you can use, and it's going to run again a process, and it's going to use the decrete that you have in this box, and it's going to turn it into a code. You're going to see right now. And once you have the code, you're going to click on save. And there you have it. And same applies for the text. You would give this new code a name, add the text, and use the get frequency from text. And as soon as you get the code, after the instrument has finished its process, like let's say you're using a mantra or an Evolution MXD 2017, and when it's finished, just click on the button save. On the other hand, if you want to manually input it, if you already have the rate, you want to add it to the database, all you would have to do is click the button that says New. You're going to give it a name, and this is where you type in the code. Now remember that there shouldn't be any zeros all the way at the beginning of the code, and make sure that it's only numbers. Once you have finished, just click on OK, and there you're going to have it. So those are the three ways that you can input new rates into the database and use them later for a homeopathic remedy that you're going to use in a formula, or as different means that you can use treatment. Well, that is it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this useful, please share it with other people who are using the software as well. And well, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.